Every summer, we here at Studio X run a pre-college program inviting high school students from across the country to come and learn about 3D modeling and VR experience design.
Throughout this process, they also learn about critical issues involving VR, as well as multidisciplinary nature from talks led by Megan Moody and Dr. Benjamin Soares Jimenez.
Every morning, Aleem would warm everyone up with an icebreaker activity fit with prizes to earn.
Sarah and Tamuda from iZone walked the students through design thinking, which allowed them to start conceiving the projects they would be working on for the next couple of weeks.
Then, they created their NPCs in Blender with workshops run by Miles and Tamuda.
Finally, they utilized Unity to create their experiences with help from workshops run by Megan and Liam.
The projects that came out of this program were so creative and unique that we just had to share them with the broader University of Rochester community.
Thank you to everyone who made this program possible.